The Tidal Union Cemetery is a historic cemetery located in Tidal Armstrong County, Pennsylvania, United States. It was established in the early 1800s and has been in use ever since. The cemetery is maintained by the Tidal Union Cemetery Association and contains the graves of many prominent members of the local community, including veterans of various wars and their families. The cemetery is situated on a quiet, tree-lined road and is surrounded by beautiful countryside. It features a mix of old and new gravesites, with many of the older graves marked by ornate headstones and monuments. Some of the graves date back to the early 19th century, providing a window into the local history and culture of the area. The cemetery is open to the public and is a popular destination for visitors interested in local history and genealogy. The association maintains the grounds and the monuments and provides visitors with information about the history of the cemetery and the people buried there. The Tidal Union Cemetery is an important part of the community, providing a final resting place for generations of families who have lived in the area for centuries. It is a peaceful and beautiful spot where visitors can reflect on the history and heritage of the community and the lives of the people who helped shape it.